This video will show you how to replace the Wi-Fi module of the iAuto machine. 1. Power off the machine. Disconnect the power cable and data cables. Fold the top cover and paper feed tray back into the machine. 2. Position the iAuto vertically. Stand the device upright to expose the bottom, then remove the 6 screws at the bottom. 3. Slide the bottom cover from left to right, then slowly open the bottom cover. You'll notice a wire connecting the bottom cover. This wire restricts the bottom cover from laying flat. 4. Carefully disconnect it from the motherboard. Once unplugged, the bottom cover can now lie flat. 5. On the bottom right corner of the motherboard, you'll find the black Wi-Fi module. 6. The Wi-Fi module is held in place by hot melt adhesive. Carefully remove the adhesive to free the module. 7. Gently disconnect the old Wi-Fi module from the motherboard and insert the new Wi-Fi module in the same orientation. 8. Reattach the wire you disconnected in step 4, ensuring it is connected in the same direction. Finally, reassemble the bottom cover and secure it with the screws.